Hi everybody, today we're doing a little bit of spring cleanup and then we are going to build a trellis to go along the wall here. We're going to use some 2x2s and then I've got some of the garden trellis and we'll just staple that onto the 2x2s. So we're going to do that back wall here and then this one here. And it's going to be, I'm not sure how tall they are, I'll look. But I'll show you everything we got to do this project. We got 6 of these 2x2s. Okay, so I got 3 of these garden net trellises. They are 5 by 8 feet. I got 3 of them just because I wasn't sure if the long side was going to be big enough, so I got 2 for that one. And then I got these drill bit sets just to drill into the wood so we don't split it. And I got these 9x3 construction screws and some drill pits. So let's go ahead and get started building these garden trellises.